Our heroes, firefighters, EMS, police officers, all first responders. I'm speaking to you today if you have taken an oath to serve and protect your community, yet sometimes have failed to recognize that you and your families are a part of that community. You're sacrificing oftentimes yourself and your health and your families. But with this declining health, physical and mental, and the difficulty that it is, we also sometimes bring that home, don't we? And when we bring those struggles to our families, I ask you, is the price too high to do the job you love? Many people believe that you have to choose between success at work and success at home. That's a myth. The research says if you can be more effective at taking care of your self-care needs, you will be more successful at work and home. Now, as a work-life balance researcher and presenter, I have delivered speeches at many IAFF annual conferences and other first responder health and wellness seminars. And what I find is that the attendees are struggling with this declining health. They're struggling with some of the emotional pieces. They're struggling, and what they share with me are those family and close relationships. Now, work-life balance for me, it's simply about aligning your day-to-day behaviors with your priorities in life. I help first responders learn how to change behaviors, which changes lives, and I do this through a three-step process. The first step, I help you understand through reflection exercises and discussion sometimes. We learn to understand what your current reality is. Step two, we step over here to what I call the desired future. How do you want things to be in your life? Because whether you realize it or not, you are the architect of your life. And that brings us to the third step, and that's the transformation plan. How do we go from current reality to desired future? How do we transform into that? And we build a plan on that, and I help you do that. So that you have a plan to take home and begin using. I, of course, cannot take away you putting your lives on the line every single day. But you know what? That is why you're our heroes. Thank you very much, and God bless.